Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering my money using these easy budgeting tips. Let's see if I can stick to it for a whole month. Taking control of your finances can feel overwhelming, but it's one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself. Budgeting isn't about restricting your spending. It's about making conscious decisions with your money. By doing so, you'll be able to save for your goals, pay off debt, and reduce financial stress. A lot of people struggle with budgeting because they don't know where to start. I was in the same shoes not too long ago, and I realized that I was overspending on things that didn't really matter to me. It's easy to get caught up in keeping up with the Joneses, but that's not what's important. What's important is that you're able to pay your bills on time and have some savings set aside. Some people also struggle with budgeting because they simply don't know how to plan their finances. They might have a general idea of how much they make and how much they spend, but they don't have a clear picture of where their money is going. That's where budgeting comes in, to give you a clear picture of your finances and help you make informed decisions. Another challenge people face is sticking to their budget. It's easy to get excited about budgeting and make a plan, but it's harder to stick to it over time. Life gets in the way, and before you know it, you're back to overspending. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you stay on track. The first step to mastering your money is to track your expenses. This might sound tedious, but it's essential to understanding where your money is going. Write down everything you spend, no matter how small it seems. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Next, set realistic goals for yourself. Don't try to cut back on everything at once. Start with small changes that you can sustain over time. Another tip is to use budgeting apps that can help you stay on track. There are many apps out there that can help you track your expenses, set reminders, and even automate your savings. Find one that works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. You can also use the envelope system, where you divide your expenses into categories and place the corresponding budgeted amount into an envelope for each category. One key insight that can significantly change how you approach budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessities like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This rule can help you prioritize your spending and ensure that you're making progress towards your financial goals. Using the 50-30-20 rule can be a game changer for your finances. It helps you prioritize your spending and ensures that you're saving enough for the future. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a good starting point for creating a budget that works for you. The 50-30-20 rule is not just about allocating your income, it's also about being intentional with your spending. It's about making conscious decisions about what you want to spend your money on. By doing so, you'll be able to achieve your financial goals and live a more stress-free life. To make the 50-30-20 rule work for you, you need to be consistent and patient. Budgeting is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires effort and dedication. But trust me, it's worth it. By following these simple budgeting tips, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. In conclusion, mastering your money is within reach. By tracking your expenses, setting realistic goals, and using budgeting apps, you can take control of your finances. So, take the first step today and start budgeting your way to financial freedom. If you've had any experiences with budgeting, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on personal finance for more tips and tricks on managing your money. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.